There's also one other thing that Octavia does sometimes. It's the opposite of what you'd expect. Sometimes to draw the listener in, she'll get quiet and make everybody listen differently. That's one of your tricks, isn't it?
Yeah, I didn't do it in those stories, but sometimes I do. Yeah, I'll get really quiet, and then they listen.
So I'm going to give you an example from the Rachmaninoff, from the first piece. Two different ways to play this to accentuate. One by accentuating by making it louder, and one by making it quieter. I'm actually going to draw attention to it by its quietness. So anyway, these are aesthetic decisions that we make as artists. How do we draw something out?